So this is to help your balance, an easy exercise you can do anywhere that you have something stable to hold on to, like a kitchen countertop. So what you're going to do is just lift one leg up in the air, try to stand, letting go, keeping your balance. If you feel like you're gonna fall, put a couple fingers down, put one finger down, two fingers down. If you have to, put both your hands down. But the idea is to stand like this for up to a minute would be optimum. If you can only do 30 seconds, that's okay. Just kind of build up to a minute if you're able to. And then you would just switch and do the opposite leg like this. And what you want to do is make sure that your head is up and looking straight ahead. You don't want to be looking down at your feet. The other thing you want to make sure is that you're not trying to stabilize yourself by bracing yourself with your other leg like this, doing it that way. You can do this easily when you're washing dishes. You can also do it while you're brushing your teeth, one hand on here, brushing your teeth. Just a nice simple exercise to help your balance.